Okay, so we're here today with one of our famous educators. Why don't you tell us your name and what school you represent?
All right, yes. My name is Rod McLeod. I'm an educator over at Detroit Premier Academy.
Great. So you have some students here today at Finance Park, and tell us how it has been teaching the curriculum, and are your students being receptive to it?
Absolutely. Wonderful curriculum for sure. This is our first trimester, obviously, for the school year, and we're wrapping it up here today with our simulation here at Junior Achievement Finance Park. And it's been a wonderful experience. The students have had the opportunity to learn many aspects of budgeting, many aspects of financial literacy, including budgeting, savings, credit and debit, and a plethora of other things in relation to finance.
Great. So how does this correlate to what you teach, like from an ELA or mathematics basis? Does this correlate to that?
Absolutely. Wonderful question. Yes. I am currently a math interventionist working at Detroit Premier Academy, and obviously a lot of the finance and budgeting aspects of junior achievement correlate and work with our planning in terms of the curriculum for math intervention at Detroit Premier Academy.
Great. So would you recommend this for other educators thinking about it?
For sure. It's a wonderful program, absolutely wonderful facility here in downtown Detroit, and I highly recommend that our middle school students become involved in financial literacy again at an early age. Yes.
Awesome, great. Well, we appreciate you being here. Thank you very much.
Okay, and thank you for having me.